A model train consists of an engine mass 0.6 kilograms and a truck of mass 0.4 kilograms. The train is pulled up a smooth plane, emphasis on the word smooth, inclined at 25 degrees to the horizontal by a force of 4.8 newtons. This force is applied to the engine and acts parallel to the line of the greatest slope of the plane. A. Calculate the acceleration of the system. B. Find the tension in the coupling between the engine and the truck. And C. Find the distance travelled by the train as it accelerates from 2 meters per second to 4 meters per second. Like all mechanics problems, you need to draw a diagram. So here we have a slope at about 25. We have the engine at 0.6. Here we have the truck at 0.4 kilograms. So the forces acting on this one here will be 0.6 G newtons acting downwards. A normal reaction are 1 newtons. Here we're going to have a weight of 0.4 G newtons and a normal reaction R2. There'll be a force pulling upwards 4.8 newtons. There'll be a tension on this one, T newtons, and the same tension acting against this one, T newtons. There's no frictional force because the plane is smooth. We have an acceleration of A meters per second squared, which we need to find. So treating the system as one object, so resolving along the slope, we have 4.8 minus now, because we're going to treat this as one object, the total weight is 1 kilogram, so it's going to be 1.0 times G times the weight. Now, the weight component is this one here, which is the sine of the angle here. So it's the sine of this angle here, 25. It's always the same angle. So the weight is this one, but you're combining them together. So it will be 1G sine 25 is equal to 1.0A, the total mass added together, times acceleration, which means the acceleration is going to be 4.8 minus G sine 25, which is 0.6583, which is 0.658 meters per second, correct to three significant figures. We now have to find the tension in the coupling. So if we just jump to the diagram again, but now we know what the acceleration is, we have to find this tension here. Now we can either use this one or this one. It doesn't matter which. This one has slightly less forces to deal, has slightly more forces to deal with. So we're going to just use the truck. So consider the truck, which is 0.4 kilograms. Resolving again along the plane, we're going to have T, this force here, minus the weight here. So this will be 0.4 G sine of 25. And that's going to be equal to the mass, which is 0.4 times the acceleration we calculated in the previous part. And that will give you that T is 0.4 times 0.6583 plus this 0.4 G sine 25, which give me a tension of 1.92 newtons. If you did the same on this one, you'd have to do 4.8 minus T minus 0.6 G sine 25, and then solve that is equal to mass 0.6 times that. Again, it will give you the same answer. Part C, so using V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS, where we know that V is 4 meters per second, U is 2 meters per second, given in the question. We want to know how far it travels from the it accelerates from 2 to 4. And the A is the acceleration that we've calculated. So we're going to have that 4 squared is equal to 2 squared plus 2 times my acceleration times the distance travelled, which we're going to call S. 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4. So that is going to give me that S is 12 divided by 2 times 0.6583. So on my calculator, that gives me 9.1138, which is 9.11 meters. So this has been a connected objects question where you've had to calculate an acceleration, a tension, and a distance travelled. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.